Greetings, it's Friday afternoon, and we're getting all the beams in place here, or all the beam plates in place. So basically what we got here, guys, is this is not set in concrete yet. See this right here? These are set epoxied in. This is where the steel post, there, we got one out there. So we got them all over the place. We got 17 of these steel plates everywhere. There, there, there. Anyway, so this is our template we use to drill it. So we drill it, epoxy it, and then the columns are welded to the bottom of there. And once we have those welded, they have all the beams at Cave Creek Welding. So once we have these in place, Tuesday they're bringing out the columns. We're going to set them in place. They're going to come and weld it in place, and then we're going to measure exactly so that when they cut them, when they bring them out here and they cut them, it'll be exactly down to the inch. Now my biggest concern is, and I haven't figured this out yet, but basically from this point here in the corner, okay, there's two beams. The one goes from there out to there, and one goes from here out to here. So you can kind of see there's a beam connection 10 foot from this corner right here out 10 feet. So I don't know if I need to rent a special scaffolding company or a special lift, because we're going to need to weld out in the desert, and that's a good 20-25 feet out in the desert. So that one I haven't figured out yet, but we need to figure that out so that we have it safe. Michael is here. I've got two guys helping Michael because he's doing the framing here. We're starting setting the garage here. We got the posts in the garage here. We got the ledgers in the garage here. So trusses are coming next week for the garage and for this area here. Then we're building this area for the, here's the door it's going to be for the power for the transformer, or for the electrical panel here. Gas and water coming over there. This will cantilever over, so we'll have a gate here to go inside. The water will be right there. Your water will be right there. So will the gas, and for there. The excavator has to come back because all this extra rock that was generated from the pool, from the plumbing trenches, we have to haul out of here and take to the dump because it's unusable. And all of the rock that was created by digging and hammering this driveway to put the electrical in, because they had, I want to say, 3 truckloads of this, what's called a shading material. See the shade material here? They couldn't put this stuff back in the hole because it was unusable. So RJL will have to haul out all this rock, and they're going to regrade this thing here. So we probably have about 3 or 4, maybe even 5 or 6 truckloads of dirt that's unusable to get out of here. Transformer is going right here, and we'll put some bushes around it. But this is where your driveway comes in here. We'll hide that with a bush, whatever. That's the gas stub here. We will put the propane tank in the back, somewhere over there. Down here, they connected it all down there, and that's all done down there. They had to actually get a slurry of concrete because when they excavated, the water line and all the lines didn't meet code. So when they put them in, it was too close to the surface, so they had to order concrete slurry to slurry them in because it was too close to the surface, and they had to put slurry in there. So that's that. We've got the extra brown blocks. So we got brown block here, brown block there. I'll need more later, but I don't need any right now. That's about it. So beams on Monday, or the columns on Monday, or I'm sorry, Tuesday, because Monday's a holiday. And then we'll start setting those, and then pre-measure measure for the beams and then keep going. So hope you have a good weekend. It's a holiday on Monday. It's Labor Day here, so we can't work, unfortunately. So that's what's going on here.